Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Telegram polls in groups. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram and after that go to any group, and after that click on the paperclip icon on the bottom left of the screen, and after that go and click. As you can see, there is options in the bottom of the screen. Click on poll, and as you can see here you can put your question. I will test question, and you can add option A, option B, option C, and option D. You can put the options, and you can even use emojis with the options. And after that you can choose if the vote will be anonymous voting, so no one will knows, like his friend or anyone else in the group, what did he choose. And you can choose if it's multiple answers and if it's quiz mode. So for the options you can add more, up to 10 options, like for every question. And after that click on the icon on the top right of the screen, and as you can see the poll is published. I will choose, for example, these two answers and I will vote, and it's just like that. I hope that you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.